Hi, you've landed on this page because you are considering a whole house water filter. Well, I don't blame you. Why? Well, whether you're on well water and you have a part of a chlorine injection system, or you live on city water, and cities in the United States are required to add chlorine to the water, or chloramine. By the way, chloramine is chlorine and ammonia put together. Very controversial. So if just that is bothering you, and I don't blame you, because when you read the side of a chlorine bottle, what does it say? It says, keep out of reach of children. Active ingredients, precautionary, do not inhale, do not drink, do not do this, it could cause death. It is like filled with warnings, and yet our government uses that to kill bacteria in water, which I understand. It's important to get the bacteria out of water. However, do you really need to bathe in it? It's sort of like a candy wrapper, right? If the manufacturer made the candy and everyone started touching it without the wrapper on, and they put it on a truck, and the truck driver moved it to the warehouse, and the warehouse then put it out on the shelf, and then you grabbed it along with a few other people, you'd be like, gross, I don't want to eat that. Well, chlorine is just like that. The city has to add the chlorine at the factory so that during transportation, bacteria doesn't get on the water. However, the minute it gets in the house, do you really want to eat that wrapper? No, most of us don't. Why? Because our body can absorb chlorine or chloramine out of the water. 15-minute shower can actually be like drinking 8 glasses of chlorinated water. So if this worries you, if just inhaling that chlorine worries you, especially since the chlorine bottle says don't do that, then the Pure Clear whole house filter is perfect for you. It is a backwashing, meaning it cleans itself. It's got technology like a computer that's charting your water usage, so it accurately cleans itself, and it gives you the longest life possible. If you'd like to learn more about the Pure Clear whole house filter, we have a variety of them. We're happy to walk you through those at any time. I'm Drew, and if you ever need anything, we're here to serve you.